Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony MHC-V73D Bluetooth party speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not working, if it's not connecting with the other speakers, if the sound is out of sync or out of time, or if it's not pairing or syncing at all with Bluetooth or with your device, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again, and that's the second reason that you might want to do this. If you are just trying to get this speaker back to the way it was when it came out of the box, all the settings wiped, all of the pairing history wiped off of it, we can do this really easily. All we're going to do, first thing we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're going to turn it off, and then we're going to unplug it. Leave it unplugged for just a couple seconds, then go ahead and plug it back in and turn it back on. Once it's back on, you're just going to come and find the guitar button over on the right and the mega bass button over on the left, and press and hold those buttons for at least 3 seconds. And you'll see after about 3 seconds it will go into its reset mode. Let it do its reset thing, and you can go ahead and turn it back on and set it up as a new speaker.